There is this thing I always talk about, and I've always practiced it. And but a particular mentee of mine, I was able to implement that with him, which kind of reinforced the importance of that, and that is the idea of positive reinforcement. That is the reward system when it comes to achieving anything. All right. Okay, this mentee of mine happened to be a medical student, and before I met him, he was struggling academically to a point that he has lost several years. So when I came in contact with him, I started giving him some tips, talking to him on some of the things to do, how to study, how to do well academically. And in addition, being that sometimes I support him, in my own little way financially, and I decided that rather than giving him that money, let me use it as a reward for work well done. What did I do? I told him that any day he achieved a particular number of hours of reading, he's going to get a particular amount of money. And any day he doesn't achieve it, he has some penalty attached to it, all right, which we agreed on, and he started doing it for several months. And being that he has been consistent and he's almost always achieving it, something happened. I started noticing dramatic improvement when it comes to his results. Most of the quizzes that he has written, I discovered that this young man that was struggling before now came to a point that he's doing so well that you are no longer talking about whether he's going to pass or fail. The issue on the table now is whether he's going to have a distinction or not. This was somebody that was struggling academically. Just a change, a twist in the way he goes about his studying and attaching a reward to that. The motivation was something that brought about that dramatic change in his academics. And that really goes a long way to emphasize the importance of reward system, the importance of positive reinforcements. Just in case you have somebody that is not doing well in a particular area, you want that person to improve in a particular thing, you can actually adopt this method of positive reinforcement, the reward system, towards getting that person to doing that particular thing or achieving excellence in that particular area. Yes. Cheers.